Hey there, trading enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something essential for anyone dipping their toes into online trading. How to open and set up a pocket option account. This is a full guide tailored for beginners in 2025, so whether you're new to the platform or just curious, stick around. I'll walk you through it step by step. Pocket Option is a user-friendly trading platform where you can trade assets like currencies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, all from your device. It's packed with tools to help you get started safely and effectively. First off, fire up your web browser and head to the official Pocket Option website. Always double-check that you're on the legitimate site to avoid any scams. Look for the secure HTTPS connection. Once there, spot the Sign Up button, usually in the top right corner, and give it a click. You'll be taken to a registration form where you'll need to enter your email address, create a strong password, and provide some basic info like your full name and country. Pro tip: use a unique password and keep your details accurate to breeze through verification. After you submit the form, check your email inbox for a verification link from Pocket Option. Click it right away to activate your account. This step is super important for security and to unlock full access. Now that you're in, head to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. It's quick and adds an extra layer of protection using an app like Google Authenticator. If you're ready to trade, the next step is depositing funds. Pocket Option supports various methods, including credit cards, e-wallets like PayPal, and even cryptocurrencies. Choose the one that suits you best, but start small if you're a beginner. Finally, take some time to explore the dashboard. Get familiar with the charts, tools, and features. Many platforms offer a demo mode for practice without real money. And there you have it. You've just set up your Pocket Option account like a pro. Remember, trading can be risky, so always educate yourself and trade responsibly. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.